Bonjour, Gaknawiak, Bruce Beardy here, doing another video. Last week I did the nouns in their diminutive forms, but this time we'll take a look at the nouns with diminutives and add in the locative forms. As you can see in the slide here. So these are animate nouns with the diminutive and locative forms. At this point, I don't think it really matters if it's animate or inanimate, especially when it comes to diminutive and locative forms, but we'll take a look at them. So the first one here, these are the English versions, and then the Ojibwe noun singular forms. And then, of course, the nouns with the locatives. And then the smaller versions here, diminutive singulars, baby versions, I guess we can call them, smaller versions of them, or cuteness of them. And then the diminutive locatives here. So locatives is, this one is a more broad term that indicates by, at, or on the with the noun. Okay, so that's basically what it means. So more broad terms. Of course, there are specifics that can be added onto, such as inside the canoe or inside the plane, inside the house, that kind of stuff. But these ones are just general, more common locative forms. So the first one is birch tree. That's wigwasatig. And its locative form is wigwasatigong. And the diminutive, the smallness of that tree, is wigwasatigons. And wigwasatigonsink in its locative form. The next one is spirit or skeleton, also a ghost. Chibay, chibaying is the locative. And the small spirit or the small skeleton is chibayens. And chibayensink, it's locative form. Like I said, these are by, at, or on the with the noun. The next one is snow. That's kon, koning. It's locative. Konens is small snow. Konensink is its locative form. Ice, similarly, mikwam. Mikwaming is at the ice. Mikwamins is a small ice. And mikwaminsik at the small ice. Stone is the next one. Asin, asining. Asining is at the stone or rock. Asinins is a smaller stone or rock. And asininsink is its locative form. Okay, see, these are the animate nouns, and let's take a look at the inanimate nouns with diminutive and locative forms. So river is the first one. CB, that's CB, and CBing is its locative form at the river. CBeans is a small river. CBeansing is a small at the small river. Restaurant is the next one. Wisaniwigamik is its equivalent, Ojibwe equivalent. Wisaniwigamigong is at the restaurant. And Wisaniwigamigons is a small restaurant. And Wisaniwigamigonsink is a small at the small restaurant. Similarly, hospital, Akuziwigamig, Akuziwigamigong at the hospital. Akuziwigamigons is a small hospital. And Akuziwigamigonsing at the small hospital. Airplane is the next one. Pimisewen, Pimisewening is at or by the plane. Pimisewenens is a smaller plane, and Pimisewenensink is at the small plane or by the small plane or on the small plane. Like I said, it's more broad. Town is the next one. That's Udena. Udenang is at the town. Udenas is a small town. And Udenasink is at the small town. Okay, so if you take a look at some of the endings here, there's some that are different. Same with most of these, especially when it refers to the smallness of these nouns or of these things, then it's pretty well the same at the end here. So for the regular Ojibwe locatives, for the nouns, there's some difference that happens. Okay, miigwech for listening to me again, and I'll do another video next week. Bye for now.